Why does your scanner show the P1900 engine code? What does it mean? P1900 is a diagnostic trouble code for output shaft speed circuit intermittent malfunction. This engine code indicates that this means the signal from the OSS sensor to the PCM is not consistently reliable or is being interrupted. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty output, shaft speed OSS sensor. Wiring issues. PCM issues. Connector problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Nissan vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.